What's up, Royals? We are back with another video. I got my coffee here. It is about, I would say, 10:30. I wanted to wake up a little bit earlier, but we're here. We are getting back on schedule. We are at the new house, and today I'm going to officially start sowing some seeds into the new garden. So let me go ahead and just kind of go over the seeds that I want to sow in the garden for the summer. I got them in my little bucket here, my son's Halloween bucket. So here, I'm gonna do some Clemson spineless. These are from my seed shop. So if you're interested in seeds, go ahead and check out my seed shop because I do have some of these seeds on my shop. So Clemson spineless, I'm sowing those for sure. I was thinking about doing some watermelon, so I might do some sugar baby watermelon, crimson sweet watermelon. I'm gonna do my favorite zinnia variety. This is a giant double enchantress. Enchantress? I don't know. Okay, and then I'm going to do a sunspot dwarf sunflower. I have these on my seed shop. These are a sun ray. These are a dwarf variety as well of sunflower. Teddy bear sunflower. I'm going to do some roselle. I think I'm gonna try to do some ground cherries since it's still warm. It'll be warm for a while here. These are from my seed shop, midget melon. I might do some purple hall beans. I'm gonna think about that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to do some eggplant. Some sweet corn because these are about to expire. Cucumbers, these are Marketmore cucumbers. I heard that these do really well in heat, and my garden is a full sun garden, so we're gonna try those. I'm gonna try to do some bait alpha cucumbers, but I don't know if those will do well in the heat, so I don't know about those. Marketmore cucumber, I think I just said that. Space Master, I was gonna try to put this in a container, maybe on my porch. And the muncher maybe on my porch. So those are all the seeds that I'm gonna try to sow, and I think I'm gonna try to do some zucchini because it's still very warm, and I can put a couple things in some shadier areas and just see what they do. So yeah, those are the seeds that I'm going to be sowing in these raised beds. I'm not sowing all of these today. I'm just gonna sow a few things in maybe 2 of the raised beds, and we'll just take it day by day. And you can just follow along with me because we are building a completely new garden, you guys. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and take our little bucket and get to sowing some seeds. I do need to put together one of my trellises because I took it apart. So we're gonna do that as well. And then we can get to sowing. Let's go. We made it to the garden. I have this large raised bed back here in the back that I plan on putting my okra in. I'm gonna go ahead and sow in this raised bed. We're gonna do Clemson spineless okra. And I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 rows in here since the bed is more, since my garden beds are more long than wide, I'm gonna do just 2 rows. But I do see something growing in here already. Let me check it out. Oh no, it's just a leaf. Thought we had a little seedling growing. Okay. second. Bear with me if the lighting is harsh and the video is a little bit crazy. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to film in this new environment. So bear with me. We got to put these screws on this trellis, so let me try to find them because I don't know where I put them. So I found the screws. There they are. The little tool. Okay, so here's the trellis. I have these 2 legs that I need to put on, and I think they're about 4 screws, so it shouldn't take me that long. Let's get it done. So we got the trellis in place. Look at it, isn't she so cute? So I'm gonna be putting some melons on this trellis. Yeah, we're gonna do some midget melons here. And I think it's gonna look pretty. Or we can do cucumbers, one of the two. I had to kind of mound up the soil in this bed so that it could somewhat be level because we are on a slope. And so it kind of looked a little wonky, but I think this is better. I think it looks decent. And I really like how it looks from the other side and from the front. So I think that'll be super cute. It gives it some dimension. Cute. Okay, so we are back in the yard. I had to take a break for a little bit because it was so hot, but now we have a little bit of cloud coverage, so we're gonna try to pop some seeds in here. It looks like it might rain, but I'm not sure. I have Adonis here to help me because he is back in the garden, so let's get to it.
And y'all might remember that other video when we put the soil in.
Yep, you remember? Yep, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pop some corn into this lower half of this raised bed. I'm gonna do some zinnias over there. And this is kind of just random, so we're gonna make it do what it do, okay? Let's go. Okay, so they were saying that corn likes to be planted like in a bunch rather than in a row. So this is the only garden bed that I have that's like a square shape. So we're gonna try it in here and hopefully it works out. It's good for germination. So let's try it. You ready? I'm gonna spray this soil just so it's not completely dry.
That's the one that you were spraying us with.
I know.
In the front.
All right, so the soil is moist. So we'll split this in half.
That's the line right there.
Yeah.
Tell me if I put one in.
We never play by the back of the seed pack. We do what we want to do. Okay. And I hope these seeds come up. These are from 2024, so we're going to use them up.
We're
Ready?
gonna use all of these.
So I'm going to do one here, one here, one here, one here, one there.
How do I
Okay.
open it?
And I'll let you do this row. Here. Yep. Put it in there. Right there. Perfect. Come this way. Yep. Right there. No, right here in the row. Perfect. How many more you got?
1, 2, 3.
You go like this. You go pinch the soil over. Right?
Without getting dirty.
You're gonna get a little dirty. Do you want to try it or you want me to do it?
I can try.
Okay. So go like this, pinch, and the soil will go over top of the seeds. There you go. There, perfect. Yep. But make sure the soil is on there, so there you go. All right, perfect. Okay, so we're moving on to this raised bed, and over here, I think I'm gonna do some zinnias, a good row of zinnias, and then we're gonna do some purple hall beans, a row of purple hall beans.
On there.
And I think that will be good for this bed. Okay, so for the zinnias, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did for the okra. I'm just going to do some rows and just seed them down each row. So I'm gonna do 2 rows of zinnias and 1 row of purple hall beans. And I'm just taking my shovel and just doing a line. I don't even think I showed you guys. I ended up putting my other trellis right here, and I'm gonna put some cucumbers. I don't know if I'm gonna do cucumbers here or cantaloupe on this other one, but we'll do some melons or something. But for today, I'm just going to finish off today with putting some small sunflowers in this front one. I thought that would be really pretty. Some dwarf sunflowers here. And that's going to be it. All right, Royal. So we got a lot done today, actually. We only have a few more spots in these beds that need to be filled, and that is with melons. And then I think I'm done for direct seeding the garden. So we're going to give those the time they need to sprout, and I will keep you guys updated on what's going on. Right now, me and Adonis are going to go inside. We're going to go inside and drink some nice cold tea. He's been a big help. All right, Royal. So thank you for stopping through. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already.
And smash that like button.
Yes. All right.
Comments down below.
Oh, thank you.